So I'm on the property of one of the premier jade finders in Washington State, Nephrite Jade. And this is his property. It's 60 acres. And taking a look around his private beach. Yeah, there's some real interesting rocks on this river.
John Naka, who was the grandfather of
Nothing super colorful. I don't see any jasper, but I mean, these stripy rocks are something else. I mean, look at this one I just found.
Yes, because you know the rule.
Crazy.
The better you know it, the better you can break it. Yes. So if you don't know it, you can't break it. Gotta respect it when you break it. Yeah, that was a yikes.
So a few of us had the privilege of looking at some of the jade and stuff that this gentleman has found over the years, 30 or 40 years. He's in the prime area for jade. He's found many Botryoidal jade and just the sort of things. And I'm just kind of showing, stuff that's even overgrown that most of us would just cherish, and I'm sure he does, but
Google it.
he's found plenty. And
no, that's, I don't know what that is. It was just down at the road and I brought it back with me.
I kind of like that.
Yeah,
I'd definitely
some kind
pick
of
that
quartz
up.
or something. And this
like the way it's two-tones.
So a lot of this is grossular green garnet, and a friend of mine is really collecting this.
But it's, most of it's pretty translucent.
So most all of this is
But most of it's cracked up too.
Yeah, it looks like it might.
Yeah.
real nice jade there.
Yeah, right, exactly. It's been hard rock mined somehow.
I mean, he definitely spends time like creating windows and stuff in the jade. And here's some of the bigger stuff. I mean, this stuff is just incredible. And look how big this is. And he spent the time to polish some really big windows in this jade. This one is just gorgeous. I mean, look at the size of this. Look at that one there. Just gorgeous.
Look at some real fucking rocks. Get away from me.
Wow.
Damn, queer the deal.
Beautiful, beautiful blue one right there. I mean, I don't know what it weighs, but 120 to 200 pounds. I mean, yeah, there's some foliage going up through here, but the rocks are just spectacular. And if you look up Nephrite Jade of Washington, he'll be in there, multiple places with pictures. And this is just right on the property. It's the North Fork of the Stillaguamish River.
With me, it reminds me of a beach with waves breaking.
And
Yeah.
up by Darrington,
honestly, that's what viewing stones are
multiple
supposed to do.
places,
They're supposed
there's
Now we can go either
jade.
Yeah.
And you can find
Well, in
Botryoidal,
society.
Oh, that one.
blue jade.
Yeah.
Come on.
This is in the gentleman's house. Just some beautiful stuff.
Hold his
And
flashlight on it.
try to get some better light on this.
Kind of doing okay.
Well, I got my map of the property out in case anybody's interested in looking at it.
Wow.
Let's see. Yeah, we're right.
That's good. Oh my gosh.
I mean, this stuff is spectacular.
I think it's a mistake to let these guys out here.
I
He's
think
got to be honest with you.
I had most of
Oh,
those
there's
at the
that
show,
blue
so
one.
they've seen them probably.
Yeah.
Oh, and that one.
That's
okay.
the one that was
Yeah.
at the show.
Okay, yeah.
That
I
stick.
see.
I can turn the light on. Something
that hard.
wrong with my electrical. Didn't come on that easy.
I mean, this one is so striking. Just incredible. It's a large Botryoidal.
Oh yeah.
And that one over there in the corner, that's a real nice one.
And
You know, you
I
can't
mean, I wish the
appreciate
light
it
was
when
better
you
and
get
stuff so you could really appreciate this, but
How long ago did you find that one, Cam?
Oh, I
just
would say
crazy
that, for
how nice this stuff
10,
is.
12 years maybe. Yeah, I think that was the first rock.
So I'm going to be out rock hounding fairly soon. The weather's been just totally off and on, rain and
So anyway,
partly cloudy and stuff, so it's just not great for filming. But this was the field trip we took that
It's amazing.
I think this is one of the first ones he found, big ones, and a bunch of Botryoidal pieces. So here was just stuff that he kind of piled up, and it was like covered in leaves and stuff, and I was sorting through it. Here's another shot at the river that's on his property. So I purchased for a very reasonable price a bunch of stuff, and this is like a lot of grossular garnet stuff, and that was something I actually found on the river. And this too, it's just the striking is incredible. And that's something I found in the river. I'm going to cut open and hope it's something really cool inside. But a lot of grossular garnet. And I'm not sure what this is, but that's totally blue stuff. That's going to just make some awesome, awesome pendants. I mean, look at that. Definitely grossular garnet. I mean, I can say that all these rocks that I'm showing, I got for less than $1 a piece, if you can believe that. Yeah, I just don't find this kind of green stuff near me, but I'll just say that maybe 30 miles north of me, or a little more, this is the kind of stuff they're finding. That's a definite jade piece there. Not sure exactly what this is. I like that as a pendant. It was 2-color. Just put a hole in it and run it through the tumbler, and it'll be a ready-made pendant. And probably some Grosler garnet. That's nice. Grosler garnet. Very nice. Myself, I really like greens, a certain color greens, blues, and reds. And Botryoidal. Really nice. I don't know if it's jade or not, but I mean, I like to find the rocks, but I mean, like I said, these are less than $1 a piece I paid for these. So the gentleman was very generous. Make a lot of nice pendants out of these. Those were just kind of some flat stones I found actually on the river. A nice Botryoidal. Another one. I don't know if that's jade or what, but I think this is jade. Another Botryoidal. I'll probably cut that in a couple pieces and make some pendants out of. This is rhodonite. So inside it'll be pink and stuff. And I'll cut that up and see what it looks like inside. Now this is some jade, and it is blue. And I actually picked this up at my rock club from a gentleman who had just found it a couple days prior. And I asked him if I could purchase it, and we agreed on a price. But just some beautiful blue jade, and I'd love to find some myself. It's a little farther for me to travel, but one of these days hopefully I can find some. But love to have blue jade. It's a great investment. My cat is very interested in he's like, oh yeah.